Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice here in Stellaris, where evidently it only takes one frontier outpost to make your font the biggest on the map. Good times, good times. Hey, Wakegi Core Worlds, you afraid of me yet? No. No, they're not. Never mind. We're still in a war with Koreans. Last episode we had to say goodbye to war with the Papal States. We're gonna mess with them. We're gonna mess with them. Don't you worry. Actually, we're probably gonna mess with the Republican British colonies as soon as it's our turn to start declaring wars. Yeah, when it's our turn to declare some wars, it's gonna get ugly. It's gonna get really ugly. Also, last episode, I wish I had a diplomacy map mode because the Democratic something and the Aztec Empire all formed a... what's it called? They formed a... an alliance, and then they formed the other thing. What's it called? Oh, and the Brits, yeah. The Brits are in it too. And then they made a... what's it called? A federation. So, yeah. So the Brits, these guys, and the Aztecs are making it really interesting. But the Byzantines in any alliances... No. No, the Byzantines are not in any alliances. The Byzantines are scary. So are the Hansa, actually. Hey Hansa, how's your navy? Interesting. Their navy's equivalent, but their power is inferior. Or their tech is inferior. So they'll send like a decent number of ships at us, but they'll all be crap. That's how that works. Yeah, at some point we're gonna have to deal with this region. We're gonna have to go after the Habsburgs. You allied with anybody? No. We're gonna have to go after the Habsburgs. We're gonna have to go after the Hansa. We're gonna have to hook up this poor sector with, anything else in the world. So there's that. Well, without further ado, let's just go beat up some more Koreans. I will just destroy more of their stuff and take their tech. I think that's the thing to do. Do we want to take out their outpost? No, we don't. They don't have an outpost here either. Okay, let's go down there. Wow, what's our mineral cap? Because we actually need to think about that. Oh, not what I wanted. Shoot. Hopefully I didn't... engaged. I'm tabbed out. I hit the wrong button. Okay, there we go. What's that? Okay, yeah, the Iroquois are integrating these guys, which is fine. I figured they would. Hostile fleet engaged? Where? Oh, guess not. Guess not. Okay. And we're about to take out one of their stations. Wow, that did not take long. Wow, that did not take long. Yeah, finish that off, and then we'll see what else we can do. And then actually take this out.
System survey complete. Situation log updated.
Okay, so that's going on. Don't need that. The Republican British colonies has declared the Papal States their rival. Yep, that makes sense. Trade deal with the British expired. That's okay, we're probably going to go to war with them. Best scale system has been fully surveyed. Good deal. And there's yet another station under attack by a construction ship. Okay. There's something wrong with the AI there. Don't just destroy that. One of the things I want to do is destroy a couple of these science outposts so that we can build science outposts and thus get some influence from our current mission.
Hostile fleet engaged. System survey complete. Situation log updated.
Fleet combat stats. Defense platform, spaceport, mining station. We will actually research some of this stuff. What's that? Ottomans have declared the Byzantine Republic their rival. Yeah, good luck with that. Oh, the Republican British colonies have established a thing with us. An embassy. I wonder, can we make them our vassal? We must be at peace. Well, we'll work on it. We'll work on it. Their technology level is equivalent to ours, but everything else is pathetic. Okay. I don't even know why I
Log updated. Hostile fleet
bother
engaged.
pausing it while this is going on, because it's nothing. They're science stations.
Hostile fleet
Oh, hey,
engaged.
I have a colony ship. Hang on. Hang on. Colonize planet. Come down. Really don't want to lose this, but we're gonna lose this. And we're gonna colonize right there. Okay. And as soon as that's finished, we're just gonna give it away. It's gonna be fine. Tropical world. We do not have tropical stuff. We don't have it. We just don't. Okay, and then... do we have this ship yet? Spaceport. Okay. 40 days, we will have another colony ship. Okay. And again, I don't know why I'm zooming away from these battles, or why I'm pausing them while I'm zoomed away. Ooh, construction ship, Da Vinci. What do we got? I'll deal with that in a sec. Build mining stations. Build mining stations. All right. Powerful pops. Yeah. Oh, hey. Speaking of. Integration campaigns too? We might do... no, not so much that. Let's just throw a bunch of money and a little bit of influence at the problem. Multiple times. There we go. There we go. Yeah, if I had known that it would only take that one little station there, the outpost, I would have done that earlier, but as it is, oops. Because, man, look at that font. Look at that font. We're so good. Well, kind of. We're also playing on normal aggressiveness, so take that for what you will.
Situation log updated.
Come here. Go attack things. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Station under attack. Hostile fleet engaged. Situation log updated. System survey complete.
Oh yeah. Just took out one of their stations, and that's 14%. The near sentient natives of Lido are causing a ruckus. Try to figure out where they're going.
Situation log updated.
And that's fascinating, and I wish we could actually uplift these guys, like, ever. Oh yeah, take that out. Yes! Take out their
Construction
stuff.
complete.
Take this out real quick. Hang on. It's probably been 40 days. Yep.
Hostile fleet engaged.
The Habsburg Confederation joined the Bright Concord. Interesting. Of course, they just got wrecked by the Hansa, so that's very, very interesting. Ulm joined the Bright Concord. I already knew that. No, Ulm joined the Bright Concord. Wait, hang on. Hang on. Ulm. What's your situation? Habsburgs, Aztecs, British, Democratic. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, interesting. Good to know. Fleet combat. Salish peoples are integrating some whatever. Fleet combat stats. Yep, we sure hit them. Technology. Oh, sweet. Tile blockers. Done. Okay, good, good. And Desert World. I think we need Desert World really bad. And Ghost Refinery. I forget what this does. Can also be used very potent conductor for energy weapons. We'll deal with that later. Get us some desert worlds. Papa needs a desert world. What do you got? Ooh. Hey, there's some actual military power there.
System survey complete.
Oh. The British colonies joined the thing. That is really too bad.
System survey complete.
That is really too bad. You know what? I'm gonna actually revoke my, You know what? Embassies are only for people who I think are gonna join me. So, recall your embassy right there. It saddens us. Yep. Yep, saddens me too. We're just gonna have to kill you. Who in my little unholy axis likes me the least? Iroquois. Look, I'm sorry that we haven't been best of friends, except that 200 plus 252 opinion is still pretty good. So here, have an embassy. Wait. Oh, you're at 100 on our embassy. 2 tons. You're at 100 too. Okay, never mind. We don't really need to do that. Byzantines? Do we already have an embassy with you? Yes, we do. Okay. What do you guys think of me? Minus 25. I'm going to establish an embassy with these guys just in case I accidentally do something that pisses them off so that then they declare war on us. And I don't really feel like fighting these guys. Just kind of don't. Wow. I'm going to have to, during the off time, I'm going to have to use up pretty much all of our minerals because we have way too many. Also money, and I don't know what to do about it. So there you go. Let's go blow some stuff up. What do you say? Let's start with this. Continue with this. All right. Oh, what are you doing again? Oh, you're not doing anything because I'm dumb.
Fleet engaged.
Prospect sector. Where's the nearest continental world? Okay, good. There's a desert world there. I wanted that. Okay, continental. We're gonna want that, but it's gonna be a little bit before we can do it. Before we can actually do what we want to do with it. As a tropical. Unless it's the continental world up here, which it may be. Continental world, yes, get it. No, that's not it. Let's lock this up. Colonize planet. Right? What is this? Asteroid impacts. Interesting. It's gonna have to be... Ooh, here. Yeah, go there. We'll have to find some way to get that to our sector here. Our big sector. The Zara sector. Which is pretty much just eating everything. Okay, construction ship. Excellent. Habsburgs joined what? The Habsburgs joined with the Papal States. Interesting. Habsburgs? Wait, hang on. Who are you with? You joined with the Papal States and the something something of Oros. Hierarchy of Oros. That's a pathetic little... That's like... That's pretty pathetic. That's sort of the... Yeah, we pretty much have to be friends or we're all gonna get eaten kind of thing going on. Oh, there's a continental world there. I say we just destroy whatever it is that's allowing... Yeah, we're gonna have to go after the Habsburgs here in a second. And then we're gonna have to go after the Hansa. Hansa, are you in any fun alliances? Mingeti and the Salish. Interesting. Interesting. Going to war is getting really interesting in this game right now. Build all the mining stations. Good job. Whoa. One of those is really viable. No, not really. Okay, never mind. Third Fleet, are you having fun? What's this?
Incoming transmission.
Building has been ruined. Diplomatic offer. You want to go star charts? Sure, I guess. Whatever. I'd love to get some more from you because I think I have some pretty awesome star charts. I'm not sure that you do.
Fleet engaged. Hostile fleet engaged.
Yep. Blow stuff up.
Situation log updated.
Wow,
System
look at this
survey
giant
complete.
fleet. It's totally being wasted on this war. Hey, Teutons.
Situation log
Get better
updated.
at this.
Incoming transmission.
Oh no, they want to give us two things. Nope, nope, nope. Nope. Oh, hang on. Okay, no. No, that's not enough. Not at all. Heck no at all. Yes, I'm declining that. For
Hostile
certain.
fleet engaged. Hostile fleet engaged.
Colony ship, come here. Actually, don't pause.
Hostile fleet engaged. Incoming transmission.
Come down here. Colonize planet. Right. Ugh. I don't wanna lose this research though. Or just not use it, whatever. Okay, fine, I'll stick it right there. It's probably the ideal spot. Oh, hang on. Do I have two ships? Oh, I have two ships going to colonize the same spot. Oops. Hang on. I have this ship here, which is almost there, and this ship here. Oops, don't do that. Go here instead. There we go. Colonize planet. Again, this is really just to wrap up territory. That's the only reason we're doing these ones. I guess we go there. Yeah, I guess we do. And we can do tundra. Tundra? Hey. Where's someone who can live on the tundra? And actually, what do I want? I want Poles. I want Polish folks. So, hey, Corfu. Do you have any Polish folks? No, you don't. You just have Russians. Who has Polish folks? Do you have Polish folks? No, you doesn't. If I do colony ship, I can do Polish. There'll be fanatic materialists and xenophiles, but that's okay. Let's do that. Give me a colony ship. You're gonna come down to... I forget where I said. I wish I could organize that. Yeah, down to there. That tundra world there. Okay. Mm-hmm. Another colony ship in 32 days. I know where that's going. Hang on. Oh, Lepanto. Lepanto? What kind of silly place are you? Oh, you have Polish folks. Okay. Yeah, Lepanto needs more people. Yeah, you need more food. Which means... you. Work food. In fact... where else is more food? Where else is something that I don't really need? Food. Alright. Grow faster, kids. Man, Lepanto. Ugh. Okay. What you doing? What you doing there, fleet? Oh, hey, what's this peace offer? Nope. You know what? I'm just gonna leave that up there. it'll auto decline. Are you gonna actually fight?
Situation log updated.
Situation log? What do you mean situation log? More debris? Yep, more debris. Okay. And once you're done there, just come on up. Go attack stuff. Specifically, I want you to destroy that.
Hostile fleet engaged. Situation log
That was
updated.
instant. Wow. I love the
System
hyperspace
survey
jumps actually.
complete. Research complete.
Research complete. Yes, barrier point defense. I will be playing with that soon. Ooh, X-ray lasers. That's awful nice. I think we go X-ray lasers because the thing that comes after that is frighteningly good. Satramine atmospheric dispenser. I don't remember what this does. Satramine atmospheric dispenser. What does that do? Growth time minus 15%. Don't really need that. I'll get it eventually, but not right now. 31 months to X-ray lasers. X-ray lasers are good. The thing that comes after that is even better. Oh, hey, we're not going to get Muse. Where's our nearest research ship? I'm awfully tempted. Science ship. I know you're busy. You're doing something really good. No, Galilei, yeah. You're assisting research, and that's very important. I know it is, but... come on down... Well... 1165... So I want to do the thing in the, in their capital. I'll get that in a second.
Hostile fleet
Let's clear some things out of here.
Construction complete.
Yeah, he's just gonna destroy everything, pretty much.
Hostile fleet engaged. Situation log updated.
Yep.
System survey complete.
Good. Peace offer was auto-declined. I didn't want it anyway. Oh, good. Can you blow these things up faster, please? Like, just more
Research
torpedoes, okay?
complete.
Need research complete. Ripper autocannon. Oh, we're gonna play with that. Yeah, buddy. Something tells me we're gonna have to go for the... Oh. Ooh. Stormfire autocannon or carrier operations? Oh, they're all good. In fact, I think we're gonna go for one of these. Whichever one's gonna take the least amount of time. I think we go carrier operations. 33 months. Wow, that's kind of a long time. Okay. Okay. Fleet. Come here. Blow things up. Specifically, take out that. And then just to be sure, make sure you kill that too. So that we can get our science vessel over. Yeah. I'm going to get our science vessel over here to get some of this. Because we're not going to be able to get this debris once the war is over. So I'm going to start getting it before the war is over. Da Vinci, what are you doing? Or like, what aren't you doing? Oh. Go do that. Sure.
Construction complete. Hostile fleet engaged.
Okay, Continental Fleet, Continental Ship, you need to come down here.
Situation log
Masada.
updated.
Nice. Colonize that planet. Right.
Construction complete. Hostile fleet engaged.
Right here is actually the best spot for it. Go and do that.
Construction complete.
Buildings have been ruined by the Castilian repatriarchs of Toledo. I actually need to deal with this. This is actually mine. Hey, what's been ruined? I need to fix something. Oh hey, I can actually spend some money here. Hey, they're no longer like really terribly, horribly pissed off with me. Let's make them, let's do re-education campaigns. And, oh, that's okay. That's okay. Some of these folks are actually have way negative ethics divergence. Oh no! They ruined the monument to purity. That's okay, we can repair it. It's fine. It's fine. Not a big deal. Unemployment. Toledo. Yep. Okay, cool. Inactive buildings. Yep. Man, this place needs some love. Murano, you need food, baby. Oh yeah, you know what? I'm gonna upgrade this. Hydroponics farm 2. There we go. Okay, where's my fleet? Where my fleet at? He's blowing things up.
Complete.
Yep. Wow, we have a negative balance. Wow. Colony ship. Ocean world. Hang on, first things first. Venezia, yeah, that was your last one. Okay, so let's come up here. Do we want the bigger place that has the lower habitability and lower growth time? Or do we want the smaller place that has nothing really bad with it? I think we take the smaller one. Colonize planet, right there. Okay. Yep, and we're colonizing even more stuff. Mm-hmm. That's how that works. Okay. Oh, Third Fleet is being lazy. Third Fleet. Destroy... Oh, I don't know. Is it time to just... Yeah, I think it is. So it's time now to split up our fleet. Split, split, split. 3 of them are actually being piloted by Silvestro Contarini. We just cloned him twice. Okay, you go here. Take that down. You go here. Take that down. And then you go and blockade this. And then you go and blockade that. And I think that's what we're gonna do. And hopefully that's enough to edge them up towards... You know what? We're gonna do this the old-fashioned way, actually. We are going to... During the break, I'm going to hire up some strong psi-warriors now that we can. That's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to use our money and our minerals for. And that's how we're going to run this. And we'll actually be able to take some of these places down. But we're going to have to do that next time with 9,000 minerals. Wow. We might even build another fleet. But we'll see what happens. I'll do a lot of that over the break. I'll let you know what I did, and then we'll see how this goes. But until then, I enjoyed myself. Hope you enjoyed yourself as well. I do, in fact, look forward to seeing you next time. There is someone coming here, right? Yes. Okay, good. Yes. Okay, cool. Look forward to seeing you next time, folks.